Alright, you guys asked for a garage door video. Here we go. 2x9x7s. Garage is a little potent. It's all that OSB board. Here's the openers. Screw drives. Clpay garage doors. Very old. Very old doors. They're clpays. And how I know, there's the sticker, you can't see it, but it's peeled off. Opener is very noisy. They need a little lube. So I'll go ahead and run one of them for you and you can hear it. Here's the old style liftmaster control panels for the wall. I have the clickers there in the house. I'll run one for you. Let's move that back one over there. There's the inside. Here, get an outside shot. Now we'll run it back up. So there you go, guys. Yes, it has light shades and they all work. So, alright, there's your video, guys. Enjoy. This here is the stinky garage. The OSB board stinks. Didn't know it was so potent. Have a good one, guys. Oh, here's a side door. Man door. Put a double key lock on it. You know, glass in the door. So, someone's gonna come in. I want them to break the glass. I want to hear them. Alright, have a good one, guys. Over and out.